Ka Coca Cola ka beri ka wei na ka company ka bapenmi national ya ka jingdih ban penpengat hari India bat sebar ke di India aga sim ban kong ka palat pai ba ya ka wei ka jingdih ban pynioh bor ni ka energy drink ka tip kum ka charge pro ya ni la pli pai ba nen ka singi da mohit naru bolong director jong ka thai north east ka company hag jinglang blalong ha hotel hega VNS harigat ke jingan dalang ba Manuel Badwar lem makinong tre jong ka company na gohati ba na shlong yakni ke energy drink la penmi pajba hakador ke bolong life holding ka wat kalong ke jingdi penyo bor ke bapher na ki bei pat jingdi aba kren bat mohit naru ula ethu ba kene ke jingdi penyo bor kala ai kerteng charge pro ke dei ke wei ne ke jingdi ke ba penyo bor pen klan nya ke met ke pat ke noi le kai bat kalong ru kata ke jingdi ke ba omdon kano kano ke jingba bi ya ki ba pendon kam namar yakni ke charge pro la penmi kerpang ban pen pher na ki bei ulong bakadau bu ushim ya kani sinjam ban pli ha ke jela meglia kade namar kani ke jela kala nang kiyo nang roi badon kam bana kani ke jela kinyo kam lingba ke jingwan ra ya kani ke company bar ke charge pro
Is this love in me? Just a bad memory. When you came around, you came around, you came around, I let you know. And when you were down, when you were down, when you were down, I made you whole. Is this love in me?
Is an energy drink. It's energy drink meant for the youth. And why youth? Because youth is the one which looks for energy when they want to go for a football, when they want to go to play, and they also look for energy when they want to study. They have to wake up late at night. That's what they need energy. And anybody who needs energy, whether it is a Rapido car person, whether it is our drivers on taxis, everybody. So right now, energy segment was at a very premium level, especially cans, and this is what we bring it for everyone, so that everyone in youth segment, everyone can afford lifestyle, everyone can have a can which is 30 rupees can, and also get the energy what they get from a much larger or much higher price can. So this is for everyone, this is for the youth, this is for the professionals, this is for every working person who needs energy. This is the energy they can take it on the go. So the difference between the difference between energy drink, one is of course the taste, right? And that goes. So what we have done is we have done a consumer sampling of this energy drink versus others, and what it came out, almost 80% of the consumer like the taste per se. It's a lime rush. It's the taste. That's number one. In terms of ingredients, most of the ingredients are same. In terms of the look and the feel and the packaging is what brings it a difference. And in terms of the brand Coca Cola, no, and Coca Cola is everybody love Coca Cola. It's a brand Coca Cola, so we are sure that no, this is something which will refresh the world. So for all the local retailers who want to get the charge, our distributors are there. Our distributors are going to start the service today. Today we are also hitting the market. So our distributors are going to provide them with this the can pack per se, and they can purchase it directly from the distributors. Most of the retailers have the number, and consumers, of course, it will be available in most of the shops. That's our endeavor to kind of bring it to all the shops. So what I can say, now this is something which is in Coca-Cola, it goes through a whole lot of quality process, right? And when it goes to quality process, it also goes through the experimentation process. No, this is gone through quality, this has gone through experimentation. This is nothing which can be harmful to anyone. There's nothing which contain anything which is harmful. Yes, it contains what I need is energy. What I need is caffeine. It has caffeine. That's what it contains. And caffeine gives you energy. Caffeine is as good as you having in a coffee or a tea. It's a caffeine in a sparkling. That's what it is. So these are the. So we will have two variants. Right now we have launched with Lime Rush. The other one, which is Gold Rush, is coming in very soon. Lime Rush is more of a lime. Gold is more of a the English taste per se. So that's the difference in terms of taste and the variants. There are two variants which will be there in this.